Hello guys, welcome back. In the first part of this After Effects tutorial series, we created a glowing Embers using only built-in After Effects tools. No external plugins. If you missed that, check the card above or the link in the description. Now, in part 2, we are going to bring the Avatar A logo to life with fire. So, let's get started.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
Create a new composition. Use the same setting as we did for the Embers. Add a new solid layer. Call it Fractal Fire and make it comp size. Go to Effect and Preset and search for Fractal Noise, then add it to the solid layer. On the Effects and Control, make Fractal type Dynamic Progressive, Noise type to Spline, check Inverted, Brightness to -35, Complexity to 8. Now, Alt-click on the evolution and type this into the expression box, time asterisk 120. Now let's make this look like it is burning. So we are going to add a colorama effect. In the output cycle, choose fire from the preset palette. Apply curve effect. Go into the green channel and push the curve up until the highlight breaks apart. This makes the fire look hotter. Import your logo. Scale it down. Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose it. I will call mine Logo Holder. Back in the timeline, set the Fractal Noise layer track matte to Logo Holder. Now the fire only shows through the logo shape. To keep things neat, pre-compose both the Fractal Fire and the Logo Holder together and call it Fractal Logo. Drag another copy of the Logo Holder into the timeline. Add a gradient ramp and pick warm orange colors. Place it underneath the Fractal logo and set the Fractal logo blending mode to screen. This gives us a fiery colors blending through the logo. Now let's add fire particles coming off the logo. On the Project Manager window, duplicate the Fractal logo and rename it Fractal Logo Emitter and then open it. Remove the colorama and curve effect. Add level effect instead and crush the black so only the brightest area remains white. Now go back to the previous composition and then create a new solid layer and name it Particles. Apply CC Particle World. Place Fractal Logo Emitter above Particle. Then set the Particle Track Matte to Luma Matte Fractal Logo Emitter. Now particle will only emit from the brightest part of the logo. To see these particles, let's hide the logo layer and the Fractal logo beneath it. Perfect. Go to Effects and Control. Inside the CC Particle World, start with these values. Under the Producers tab, move the position X and Y until the particle emitter is just at the foot of the logo. Under the Particle tab, change Particle tab to Faded Sphere and change bed size to 0.03, depth size to 0.18 and then color set it to yellow, orange, red. Under the Physics tab, set velocity to 0.5, gravity to -0.35. Negative values make the flame to rise. Resistance to 0.15 and set longevity to 0.4 to 0.9. Bit rate to around 4 seconds. Hit spacebar to preview. You should now see flame flicking out of the logo. Beautiful. Now let's shape the flame further. To stretch the particle into fairy tongue, we need to add a displacement map to the particle layer. Map layer to fractal noise or the fractal logo emitter. Set horizontal displacement to 10 and vertical displacement to 200. Set use for horizontal displacement to luminance and use for vertical displacement also luminance. Now add a turbulent displace to the particle layer. Set amount to 30, size to 30, complexity to 2.5 and evolution. Alt-click on it and set it to time *450. Now let's add a directional blur and set it at 90 degrees for streakier flame. This is optional. Your flame is still looking good without it. Now let's add some heat to the flame. Add a glow effect. Use 2 passes, one tight and one wider. Set blending mode to add or screen. Duplicate the particle layer. Make one softer and larger. Lower the opacity. This adds a flame bloom. Now let's unhide all the 2 layers below it and then pre-compose everything. Make sure you move all attributes to the new composition. Duplicate it and add Gaussian blur to the bottom layer. Set the blurriness to 90. This adds heat to the logo. Here you have the burning logo. To push realism, let's add some assets. I already imported some assets into the project. You can find this asset from the project files. Link in the description. Drop in smoke footages. Mark some part. Scale it down. Rotate it to align with the logo. And then duplicate it some couple of more times and place them randomly on the logo. Perfect. Now select all the smoke layer and Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose them. Add a hue and saturation effect. Activate colorize and then shift the tone until it looks like a hot smoke coming out from the flame. Perfect. Now let's add some stormy flame into the logo. Drag and drop the fire footage into the composition. Do the same thing as you did with the smoke, but place the smoke layer above the fire layer for depth. Now select the ellipse tool and draw a circle until it covers the logo. Make sure no layer is selected. Then add a turbulent displace effect to the shape layer. We're gonna use this to create the heat distortion effect. Alt-click on evolution and type in time *100. Add a Gaussian blur effect and set blurriness between 80 to 99. Add a scale keyframe from 0 to 100 between 0 to 1 seconds. Set all asset and all layered track matte to the shape layer. Now create a new composition and then drag the burning logo into the new composition. Here we're gonna animate the scale and then the opacity between 4 to 6 seconds. The opacity will go from 100 to 0, while the scale will go from 90 to 110. Rename your new composition to main logo icon. And that is it. Your burning avatar A logo is ready. We have now got Embers from part 1 and a burning logo from part 2. In the next part, we will style the title text itself, adding heat distortion, ash, and final polish. If you are enjoying this series, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check membership-only project files in the description. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for MotionDigit Studios.